Why humans are the only species that cook food. Imagine you're hungry. You walk into the kitchen. You make a sandwich. Heat up some pizza. Cook some pasta. Or maybe grab some freshly baked cookies. Pretty normal, right? Humans cook food every single day. In fact, most of us don't even think about it. But here's something strange. Out of all the millions of species on Earth, humans are the only ones that regularly cook their food. Think about that. Lions don't cook. Elephants don't cook. Chimpanzees don't cook. Even the smartest animals on Earth eat their food raw. So why are humans different? Why are we the only species that cooks food? And could cooking actually be one of the reasons humans became so intelligent? The answer is one of the most fascinating stories in human history. And it all starts with fire. Hundreds of thousands of years ago, early humans lived very differently from us. There were no restaurants, no ovens, no microwaves, no grocery stores. If you wanted to eat, you had to find food yourself. And at first, humans probably ate much like other animals. Raw plants, raw fruits, raw nuts, raw meat. But then something incredible happened. Humans learned how to control fire. Scientists believe early humans began using fire hundreds of thousands of years ago. And eventually, they discovered something life-changing. Food tasted better when it was cooked. But taste wasn't the biggest advantage. The real advantage was energy. You see, your body needs energy to survive. Everything you do requires energy. Walking, thinking, running, growing, even sleeping. And cooking makes food easier for your body to digest. Imagine chewing a raw potato. It's tough, hard to eat, hard to digest. Now imagine a baked potato. Soft, easy to chew, easy to digest. Cooking breaks down food before it even enters your body. It's almost like the fire starts doing part of the digestion for you. That means your body can get more calories from the same amount of food. And calories are basically fuel. More fuel means more energy. Some scientists believe this changed human evolution forever. Why? Because humans have unusually large brains. And brains are expensive. Not expensive in money. Expensive in energy. Even though your brain is only a small part of your body, it uses a huge amount of your energy every day. Keeping a big brain running requires lots of calories. Cooking may have provided those extra calories. In other words, cooked food may have helped humans evolve bigger and smarter brains. Without cooking, human intelligence might have developed very differently. Now here's something interesting. If modern humans ate only raw food all the time, life would be much harder. Scientists estimate you'd spend many more hours chewing every day. Think about animals like cows. They spend enormous amounts of time eating. Some animals spend most of their day searching for food and chewing it. Cooking allowed humans to spend less time eating and more time doing other things, like building tools, creating art, exploring new places, and eventually building civilizations. So cooking didn't just change food. It changed human history. But wait, if cooking is so useful, why don't other animals do it? That's a great question. The answer has a lot to do with fire. Cooking requires controlling fire. And controlling fire requires planning. It requires patience. It requires understanding cause and effect. Humans became extremely good at all those things. Most animals simply don't have the ability to manage fire safely. Even intelligent animals like chimpanzees usually avoid fire. To them, fire is dangerous. To humans, fire became a tool. And once humans mastered fire, everything changed. Cooking also made food safer. Raw meat can contain harmful bacteria and parasites. Cooking kills many of them. That means people got sick less often. And safer food meant healthier communities. Another benefit was food storage. Cooked food often lasts longer than raw food. That made survival easier during difficult times. Imagine living thousands of years ago during winter. Finding food wasn't always easy. Any advantage could mean the difference between survival and starvation. Cooking gave humans that advantage. But cooking did something else too. Something that changed society itself. It brought people together. Think about it. Even today, families gather around meals. Friends meet for dinner. People celebrate with food. For thousands of years, cooking created opportunities for humans to socialize. A fire wasn't just a source of heat. It became a gathering place. People sat together, shared stories, taught skills, built relationships. Some scientists believe these social interactions helped humans develop language and cooperation. So cooking may have helped create stronger communities. And stronger communities helped humans survive. Now here's something funny. Humans have become so dependent on cooked food that many of us would struggle eating like wild animals. Imagine trying to survive only on raw roots, raw meat, and uncooked plants. It wouldn't be easy. Our bodies have adapted to a cooked food lifestyle. Our teeth are smaller than those of many early human ancestors. Our digestive systems also work differently. Over thousands of generations, cooking became part of what made us human. And yet, despite all our technology, the basic idea remains the same. Whether you're cooking over a campfire, using a barbecue, or heating food in a microwave, you're doing something that connects you to humans from thousands of years ago. That's pretty amazing. Now let's look at one final question. Could another species ever learn to cook? It's possible. Some animals are incredibly intelligent. Chimpanzees, dolphins, crows, octopuses. But cooking requires several abilities working together. Understanding fire, planning ahead, preparing food, waiting patiently, and passing knowledge from one generation to the next. So far, humans are the only species known to combine all of those skills. And that's what makes us unique. Cooking isn't just something humans do. It's something that helped make humans who we are. It gave us more energy, helped our brains grow, made food safer, created stronger communities, and may have played a major role in the rise of civilization itself. So the next time you eat a hot meal, take a moment to think about it, because you're participating in one of the most important inventions in human history. An invention so powerful that it helped transform a clever ape into a species capable of building cities, exploring space, and changing the world. And it all started with a simple fire. So what is your favorite cooked food? Comment below. And subscribe for more simple and fascinating stories about science, history, humanity, and the mysteries of our world.